Hi, this is Lee from Total Parts Plus. Today we have a 2015 Mercedes Sprinter, stock number 6425. This ran from the 9th 2009 to the 4th 2018. It has an NC V3 2 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by a 7-speed automatic transmission. This is the NC V3 2.1 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. Left front 16-inch steel wheel good tyre, left front door mirror, left front door no dents, left rear 16-inch steel wheel good tyre, left rear tail light, left rear barnyard door, right yard barnyard door, right rear tail light, right rear 16-inch steel wheel good tyre, right front door no dents, right front door mirror, right front guard no dents, right front 16-inch steel wheel good tyre, right front door card, right front master switch, automatic gear shifter, heater AC controls, factory touchscreen stereo, front courtesy light, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 3-spoke vinyl steering wheel, instrument cluster,